Oh, look. As you can see. Flying in the sky. Well, I can't see them, but you can see them there. I don't know what kind of copter it is, but I'm trying to get it close up. You can't really see it all that well. This is further proof of harassment by aircrafts. And it's that they don't scare me. I'm not sure if it's an actual helicopter or a drone or what it is, but this is what they fly around. It flew past the house first, and now it's there. And there goes a bus or whatever that was, as you can see. That just pulled around on Pond Side. It's interesting to see. But anyway, this bus just pulled up. But anyways, interesting to see. Nonetheless. So, you know. You know. But another video for YouTube.